Hello my dear beauties! Today I'm coming back with another hair tutorial on elegant hairstyles for both long and medium length hair. I hope you're going to like them. They're all beginner friendly, quick and easy to do, and should be great for all sorts of special occasions. And if you don't follow me yet on social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, I'm going to put all the links in the description box. This way we can stay connected. Because even when I don't have a chance to post new videos here on YouTube, I stay very active on social media. I'm sharing with you photos from my trips, my fashion, beauty, hair favorites, almost every day. Beautiful hair is your best accessory. So I'm going to start from attaching my glam time clip-in hair extensions. In a matter of minutes, they give me all the length and volume that I need. I like my extensions wavy, but I don't like to damage them with high heat tools. That's why I often use jumbo curlers, soft bendy rollers that can be used overnight on dry or slightly dampened hair. In one of my previous videos I've already shown you how to use them, so feel free to check it out. You'll find the link on the screen and in the description box. For the first hairstyle I'm going to put my hair into a low ponytail, just like that, and then split it in two equal parts. Now I'm going to grab those parts and tie them into a regular knot. I tighten this knot a little bit and use the ends to tie another knot. Now I simply have to arrange this hair into a symmetric bun and secure it in place with bobby pins. I still have to take care of the remaining ends, so I'm going to form a loop directing it inward and also pin it in place with bobby pins. The ends that are sticking out can be left loose, it's a kind of trendy these days, or you can hide them completely under the bun. That's what I'm going to do today to get that clean, elegant look. I'm going to pull out a couple of strands to frame my face, and then this hairstyle is complete. You can decorate it however you wish. Here are just a couple of ideas. All the accessories that I'm using in this video come from Bijou Brigitte. The following hairstyle can be done on almost any hair length. I'm going to divide my hair into 4 horizontal sections and tie each section into a tiny ponytail. For the first one I separate the hair above my forehead and I also tug on this hair a little bit to make it slightly more voluminous. Then I clip this ponytail off my way and create the following one. For that I simply section the hair that lies above my eyebrows using my hands. If you want you can use a rat tail comb. I'm going to loosen up this ponytail a little bit so that the part ends don't show through. Once it's done, I create 2 more ponytails. Once it's done, I'm going to delicately pull out the hair from my ponytails to make it nicely merged together and create that uniform look. I want my hair to appear rather soft and natural than sleek. Now I can move on to the following step, and for that I'm going to pin the first 3 ponytails off my way. I'm going to work on the bottom one, so I split it in 2 equal parts and delicately tease each of those sections, just to give them some volume and texture. Next, I grab those 2 sections and tie them into a regular knot. I'm going to loosely twist the ends around this tiny bun and pin it in place with bobby pins. Now I can repeat the same procedure with the following ponytail. I split it in 2 equal parts, gently tease each of those sections and tie them into a knot. actually apply the same technique to the remaining two ponytails, but here I decided to change the strategy, just because the two upper ponytails are thinner and less voluminous. So what I'm going to do with the following ponytail is I'm going to tease it, loosely twist it and wrap around its base. This way I'm going to form a twisted bun. Even though the technique is slightly different, it's going to merge with the previous buns without any problem. I hide the end under the previous buns and secure it with a bobby pin. Finally, I decided to show you yet another technique to form tiny messy buns. I grab my last ponytail, tease it just like I did before, but now I'm going to tie it into a regular knot on itself. I hide the end of the section under all the hair and also pin it in place. I'm going to spend a moment checking my hairstyle, making sure that it's all symmetric, and tagging on the strands that need to be more voluminous. After that, this hairstyle is complete. You can decorate it however you wish, and even using real flowers. Today I thought of showing you one effective way of using them. Personally, I just love it. Of course, using real flowers is not a must, and you can stick to traditional hair accessories. And by the way, this year I went to Japan and couldn't resist these gorgeous Sakura-inspired accessories. They were super popular among Japanese girls, and I simply had to get them. And here's another beautiful accessory, suitable for a wedding. And here's another one, very stylish and glamorous. That's what this hairstyle looks like, decorated with a flower. And finally, one of my favorite accessories, attached with bobby pins on either end. All the flowers are attached to a wire that can be shaped however you wish. For the third hairstyle, I'm going to create a French fishtail braid in the center of my head. I grab two small sections of hair, pick a tiny strand from the right side and bring it over to the left section. I grab some hair from the right and also add it to the left section. I pick a small strand of hair from the left and add it to the right section. Then I grab some loose hair from the left and also add it to the right section. I'm going to keep on braiding in this technique till I reach the level of my ears. At that point, I'm going to secure my braid with a tiny clear elastic band. Now I can gather all the hair into a single ponytail, just like that. This could already be a finished hairstyle, and I could even tag on my braid to make it appear more trendy and voluminous. But today I'm going to move on and create my updo. I'm going to get rid of the tiny elastic band that I used to secure my braid by simply snapping it, and then I'm going to create a hole right above the main hair tie. Once it's done, I'm going to tuck my entire ponytail right into this little pocket. Holding the hair tie with one hand, I'm going to pull out the hair from my tuck to make it appear more loose and voluminous. The further styling of this hairstyle is totally up to you. For example, you could decide to stop here and simply attach your tuck with a couple of bobby pins. Or you could make your braids appear even more soft and voluminous, simply because messy, effortless looks are still on trend. And that's what I'm going to do to give you an idea of what look you could get. As usual, you could decorate this hairstyle however you wish, even using real flowers. I'm going to show you a couple of ideas on how you could use them to decorate this hairdo. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which hairstyle you liked most, the first, the second or the third one. I'm dying to read your verdict. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!